This banana rum upside down malted sour cream cake combines a caramelized butter rum banana topping with an ultra moist chocolate malted sour cream cake bottom and scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. To make the roasted banana topping, cut a piece of ripe banana so it'll fit into the bottom of the skillet, about 35 grams. Melt 10 grams butter and mix with 5 grams rum and 10 grams brown sugar. Spread on the bottom of the skillet and add the sliced banana cut side down. To make the chocolate malt sour cream cake, cream 25 grams sugar with 25 grams room temperature butter and continue to mix in 15 grams sour cream, 5 grams vanilla extract, and an egg yolk. Fold in 15 grams all-purpose flour, 10 grams barley malt, 5 grams cocoa, an eighth of a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt until evenly distributed, being careful not to overmix. Spread the batter on top of the banana and bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 25 minutes. The banana upside down cake is done when the center is domed and a toothpick test comes out clean. Wait about 10 minutes or until the skillet is cool enough to handle. Use a small palette knife to free the cake from the top and sides, then invert it onto a plate. Serve with a scoop of ice cream.